Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and manga and figure drawing and all sorts of stuff. Today I'd like to show you how to draw a funny type of character that I don't usually show you how to draw. A cartoon fish. I mean, they're all over TV and the movies, and it's time that we do it. It's so much fun. And it's simple. So let's start with this basic character shape, like this. It's kind of like a flattened oval, flatter on the bottom, a little rounder on top, just like this. Okay? Now we will put in some lips here, and here's the chin, just like this. I'll go over this in black in a minute. Bring this sword out this way. Of course, on some fish, that's accurate. Now we'll bring this back further into a tail like that. Dorsal fin here, a smaller one. And a little fin that gets wider out this way. And the far one over here, which we can darken in. This is one droll fish. Here is a bubble or two to show movement. Here's water currents. Okay, a simple character and it's fun. Watch, when I put this together, I think you're going to like it. I hope so. Have a very small eyeball in each one to make him look extra bored. like man, this ocean is just, everywhere I go it's wet. Okay, there's 1, 2. It's hard because this is very thick. To make it look good, it's a little tough sometimes. Okay, 2 little eyebrows, that's good. And random looking gills. You know, I'm making adjustments as I go. You can make some changes and adjustments as you go. Here's the on top of the lip, just a little bit of material here. And I'll just fill this one in the back. A few bubbles. You can pause and go back. This video is not going anywhere. It's for you. Okay, so there you go. There is your cartoon fish. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about how to draw cartoon characters, I've got a new book out called Learn to Draw Cartoons, World's Easiest Cartooning Book Ever. And it's everywhere. It's on Amazon. It's in Michael's, Barnes & Noble's, Hobby Lobby, and Joann's. I hope you'll pick it up. And I hope you'll subscribe because I have new videos every week. So thank you so much for joining me today. Bye-bye.